Hello students, good morning. Hope you have done homework. Question number 12. Was it fine? Do tell me if there is any problem on my WhatsApp number. Today moving forward we will do question number 13, which is also fluctuating capital method. It reads Sajal and Kajal. Sajal and Kajal are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. On 1st April 2015, their capitals were Sajal rupees 50,000 and Kajal rupees 40,000. Prepare P&L appropriation account and the partners' capital accounts at the end of the year after considering the following items. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. It is appropriation. Interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the whole year, the amount of loan being rupees 30,000. Interest rate is not given on loan, so how much interest we will provide? 6% per annum interest on loan. So it is charged, so we have to prepare P&L account also. Interest on partners drawing at the rate 6% per annum. Drawings Sajal rupees 10,000 and Kajal rupees 8,000. You start calculating interest on drawings. 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to reserve. What is the divisible profit? Divisible profit will come after subtracting interest on capital and all appropriations from the available profit. Then we have to transfer 10% of the divisible profit to reserve also. They earned rupees 70260 for the year ended 31st March 2016 and the profit during the year was 70,260. So I hope you have calculated interest on drawings. Okay. Now first of all we will prepare P&L account because there is interest on loan also. Question number 13. Look at the board. P&L account, available profit is $70,260. Interest on loan of Kajal, loan is 30,000 to rate of interest is not given. We will apply 6% per annum. It will be 1800, 1800 and the balance will be transferred to P&L appropriation account. To P&L appropriation, this is balancing figure. $68,460. This is P&L account. We prepared P&L account because of charge. Interest on loan is charge on profit, which is to be given compulsorily to the partner who has provided loan. Kajal has provided loan for whole year, and when rate of interest on loan is not given in question, we have to charge 6% per annum. You must remember. Now we will do P&L appropriation account. This profit will be transferred here 68460. So have you calculated interest on drawings? By interest on drawings, remember you have to write full forms. And interest on drawings, Sajal, the drawings of Sajal is 10,000 and the rate of interest on drawing is 6% per annum. And Kajal's drawings are 8,000. So your answer must be 600 and 800, 600 and 480. But it is wrong, because you have to remember that I told you when interest on drawings is per annum, rate is per annum, and whole year drawings are given, I told you that 6 months interest is to be charged. Some of you have remembered, I know, but most of you have done wrong. So remember that whenever total drawings are given for the year and the rate of interest on drawing is per annum, we have to charge interest on drawings for 6 months only. This is assumption. We assume that he has withdrawn amount per month in the middle of the month, and you all know now that whenever some person make drawings in the middle of every month, then 6 months interest is to be charged on drawings. So here we have to assume that he has withdrawn per month in the middle of the month, so we will charge 6 months interest only. This is a general assumption, you have to do it. Now it will be 300 and 240. This is correct. Remember that. Interest on loan has been done. Interest on capital is to be provided 5% per annum. And what are the capitals? 50,000 and 40,000. तो इस पे भी 6 महीने का लगेगा इंटरेस्ट? नो, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे ये रूल अप्लाई नहीं होता. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल तो पूरा ही लगेगा, पूरा साल का ही लगेगा 5%, और इसमें कोई एडिशनल कैपिटल भी नहीं है, तो डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा. टू interest on capital, Sajal's capital is 50,000 and the rate of interest is 5%, so it will be 2,500. Okay, and Kajal's capital is 40,000 into 5/100 is equal to 2,000. Now, is there any salary? No, no salary, no commission, no remuneration. Now we will calculate divisible profit, and remember the D point, 10% of the divisible profits is to be transferred to reserve. So here we will write to reserve, and we will add 68460 plus 300 plus 240 minus 4,500. So divisible profit is 64,500. You understand how it came? I subtracted the total from the total of this side, the total of this side. I added these three and subtracted these two, then I get 64,000 500. Hope you understand. And 10% of this profit is to be transferred to reserve. So its 10% is 6, 4, 5, 0. Now again I will calculate the balance, and the balance is 58050. Again I will calculate the balance. This was the balance before reserve, and the balance after reserve you can do by subtracting this from this, or you can again calculate the balance. It will be 58050. Now we will look at the profit sharing ratio. Sajal and Kajal are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So we will distribute this amount in the ratio 2:1 between Sajal and Kajal. To पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, क्योंकि ये फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड है इसलिए हम लिख रहे हैं पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. अगर ये फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड होता तो हम लिखते पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. सजल 58050 into 2/3 and Kajal 58050 into 1/3. So how much it will be? 38,700. And 19,350. So it is same as we did before. Any problem? And total of this account will be 69,000. Okay, note it down. Now we will prepare partners capital account as we prepared yesterday. This is same as before. First of all, we provided interest on loan 6% because rate is not given. This is the balance transferred here. Interest on drawing is to be given for 6 months only because of the assumption. It is 300 and 240. Interest on capital 5% per annum was to be provided to both. This is the new point. We have to transfer 10% of the divisible profit to reserve, and to calculate the divisible profit we will add these three and subtract these two. Then we will get 64,500, and we will calculate 10% of this and transfer to reserve 6450. Remember, this will not go to partners capital account. It will not be shown in partners capital account because it is not given to partner. It has been reserved by the firm for future contingencies. It will be shown in balance sheet, which we will study later. And last point is, we again calculated the balance by subtracting this from this, or by subtracting these three from 69,000. You can get 58050. Then we distributed this divisible profit in the ratio of 2:1, which is their profit sharing ratio. I hope you understand. Now I am deleting it. And now we will prepare partners capital account. There are two partners, Sajal and Kajal. This is the format, and the balances are 50,000 and 40,000 opening balances. It will be written here by balance BD 50,000 and 40,000, and we provided interest on capital 2,500 and 2,000. This will be transferred to credit side by interest on capital 2,500 and 2,000. Then I told you this will not go to partners capital account. Remember that this distribution of profit will be shown here by P&L appropriation account 38,700 and 19,315. Okay, now in this question there is drawings also, so we will debit drawings here as per the format. And we also know that drawings is to be subtracted from capital, and when capital is reduced it is debited. It is our general formula, we studied in 11th also. So what is the amount of drawings? Remember that drawings and interest on drawings both are debited to partners capital account. Do not make mistake. We have to write down drawings also 10,000 and 8,000, and also we have to debit interest on drawings. Write full forms 300 and 240. Hope you all have prepared registers and are doing work in that register. I will be going to check that register in the class, and you will get punishments. So study well. Now interest on drawing has been debited. Now we will calculate the balance to balance CD. Now we will subtract 10,300 from the total of this side. And what will be the total of this side? It is 91,200. And on subtracting 10,300 from it, we will get the balance 80,900. So is it easy? Understood? Okay. Next is Kajal. Total of this side is 61,350, and we will subtract 8240 from it. It is 53,110. So you got it? Okay. You may note it down. So I hope you all have done. Now there is a question which is related to fixed capital method in our PDF. Question number 14. This is your homework. but not for fixed capital. This is your homework for fluctuating capital. You have to do it, and you have to do this question by assuming that we have to do it on fluctuating method. I am giving you the answers. You have to prepare P&L appropriation account and also partners capital account, just like we did it in this question number 13. And question number 14 by fixed capital method I will show you in the next class. So now I am going to tell you the answer of partners capital account. Write down. I am telling you, you have to ignore the balance of partners current account which is given in the question. The question you may read in this question, we have been given capital balances 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. Interest on capital is to be provided 5% per annum. Salary is to be provided 5,000 to each partner B and C per annum. And A has drawn 10,000 and B and C have drawn 2,500 and 1,000 respectively. These are the drawings. The P&L account showed balance of 45,000. This is the profit. And the balances of current account were, you have to ignore the balances of current account now. It will not be required for doing fluctuating method. You have to do by fluctuating method. Remember, this is your homework. And the next line is show partners capital account. You have to prepare partners capital account. Current account आपको नहीं बनाना. After division of profit in accordance with the partnership agreement, और आपको P&L appropriation account भी बनाना है. आप बैलेंस लिख लीजिए. इसके पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट का बैलेंस आएगा 57,500. आई एम राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड. होमवर्क, do question number 14 by fluctuating मेथड. फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड से करना है. P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन बनाना है और आपको पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट भी बनाना है. P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन का आंसर सेम रहेगा 30,000 और आपको पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के बैलेंस का आंसर मैं बता रहा हूं. ए का आंसर आएगा 57,500. आपको करंट अकाउंट के बैलेंसेस को इग्नोर करना है. आई एम टेलिंग यू. एंड बी का बैलेंस आएगा बी का बैलेंस आएगा 38,000 और सी का बैलेंस आएगा 21,000. सो कर सकते हो आप लोग, करना ही है आपको. सो कल अपन नेक्स्ट इसी क्वेश्चन को फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड से करेंगे. ओके, हैव ए गुड डे, गुड बाय, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी.